Pandas sort by group, aggregate and column. Given the following data frame. I would like to sort it in groups. A are by the aggregated sum of B, and then by the value in C, not aggregated. So basically get the order of the A groups with. And then by true or false, so that it ultimately looks like this. How can this be done?
Group BA. Within each group, sum over B and broadcast the values using transform. Then sort by B. Index the original DF by passing the index from above. This will reorder the A values by the aggregate sum of the B values. Finally, sort the C of values within groups of O using the sort equals false option to preserve the assort order from step 1. Clean up the DF index by using reset_index with drop equals true.
Here's a more concise approach. The first line adds a column to the data frame with the groupwise sum. The second line performs the sort and then removes the extra column. Result. Note: sort is deprecated. Use sort_values instead.
One way to do this is to insert a dummy column with the sums in order to sort. And maybe you would drop the dummy row.
The question is difficult to understand. However, group by A and sum by B, then sort values descending. The column assort order depends on B. You can then use filtering to create a new data frame filter by values order the data frame. Output.
Is what is the channel? This is live inside.